Hello guys, it's me, Sir Dan Apostol. So in this video, we are going to discuss the mode of group data. So gagamitin natin itong formula, which is mode is equal to L plus the quantity f sub 1 minus f sub 0 divided by 2f sub 1 minus f sub 0 minus f sub 2 times the I, which is the class size. Okay, so ano ba tong mga tong nasa ating equations? So L stands for the lower limit of model class. F sub 1 is the frequency of model class. F sub 0 is the frequency of class before model class. F sub 2 is the frequency of class after model class. And I is the class size. So para mas maintindihan natin to, mas maintindihan natin gamitin tong formulang to, let us solve this example. Okay, let's solve this example number 1. So let us calculate the mode of this math scores. So ang math scores natin ay yung interval niya, we have 41 to 45 with frequency 1. 36 to 40 with frequency 8, 31 to 35 with frequency 8, 26 to 36 with frequency 14, and 21 to 25 with frequency 7, 16 to 20 with frequency 2. Now, so ang mode kasi, yan yung most frequent. Ibig sabihin, yan yung pinakamaraming frequency. So kung makikita natin dito sa mga frequency na to, para ma-identify natin yung model class, titignan natin yung pinakamaraming frequency. So meaning, ang pinakamaraming frequency ay etong class ng 26 to 36. Therefore, this is our model class. So ilagay natin na ito yung ating model class, yung merong most frequent. So etong 26 to 36. So this is our model class. Now let us use this formula, which is mode is equal to L plus the quantity of f sub 1 minus f sub 0 over 2 f sub 1 minus f sub 0 minus f sub 2 times I. Yung f sub 1 natin is the frequency of model class. F sub 0 is the frequency before the model class. Yung f sub 2 natin ay yung frequency after the model class. So, identify muna natin yung mga parts ng ating formula. First, let us find L. Ano ba yung L? That is the lower boundary. So, para makuha yung lower boundary, tignan natin yung ating model class. So, we have here 26 to 36. So, since lower boundary yan, titignan natin yung lower limit, which is 26. So, para makuha yung lower boundary, isusubtract lang natin yung 26 ng 0.5. So, 26 minus 0.5. So, that is 25.5. Next is, let us find f sub 1 or yung frequency ng model class. So, ang f sub 1 natin ay yung frequency ng model class, which is 14. Next is f sub 0. Yung f sub 0 natin, yung frequency ng class before model class. So, ang before dito ay yung 21 to 25. So, bakit siya before? Siya yung mas maliit na class. Baka malito kayo, baka ang isipin nyo ang before dyan ay yung 31 to 35 kasi pababa. So, ito kasi ay descending order. So, ang before model class ay yung 21 to 25. So, meaning, yung before na frequency ay yung 7. So, f sub 0 ay 7. Sunod ay f sub 2. Yung f sub 2, yung frequency ng after model class. So, ang after ng model class natin ay 31 to 35. Ang frequency niyan ay 8. So, therefore, yung f sub 2 ay 8. Then, yung I natin, which is the class size. So, ganito lang gawin yan or ganito lang makompute yung ating class size. I-subtract lang natin yung from the class, mamimili tayo kahit alin dyan. So, pinili natin ay 41 to 45. So, subtract lang natin yung 45 sa 41. Then, mag-add tayo ng 1. 45 minus 41, that is 4. Plus 1. So, that is 5. So, ayun yung class size natin. So, kompleto na yung mga parts ng formula natin. So, i-substitute na natin. So, that is mode is equal to L, which is 25.5, plus the quantity of f sub 1, that is 14, minus f sub 0, that is 7, over 2 f sub 1, that is 14. So 2 times 14 minus f sub 0, that is 7, minus f sub 2, that is 8. Then times 5. Okay? So, simplify natin yung nasa parenthesis. So, that is 25.5 plus 14 minus 7, that is 7, over 2 times 14, that is 28. Then 28 minus 7, that is 21. 21 minus 8, that is 13. So that is 7 over 13 times 5. So equals 25.5 plus 5 times 7, that is 35 over 13. So 35 divided by 13, that is 2.69. Kaya that is 25. So equals 25.5 plus 2.69. Then add natin. So that is 28. So that is 28.19. So ang mode natin dito sa ating math scores ay 28.19. Okay, let's have this example number 2. So calculate the mode of the age of the teachers. So again, gagamitin pa rin natin yung formula natin, which is L plus the quantity of f sub 1 minus f sub 0 over 2 f sub 1 minus f sub 0 minus f sub 2 times I. So we have here the class interval, itong mga interval natin which are the age of the teachers. So meron tayong 66 to 70 with 4 frequency, 61 to 65 with 8 frequency, 56 to 60 with 7 frequency, 51 to 55 with 2 frequency, 46 to 50 merong 5, 41 to 45 with 4 frequency. Again, so ang gagawin natin dyan is to identify the model class. So para ma-identify natin yung model class natin, tignan ulit natin yung frequency. So alin sa mga classes natin ang merong pinakamaraming frequency? So that is 61 to 65. Therefore, ito yung ating modal class. Okay? So that is our modal class. So dito tayo magbabase para makuha natin yung mga parts ng ating formulas. So next, let us identify the different parts of the formula. So we have L, again, lower boundary. So titignan natin yung lower limit ng model class, that is 61. So 61, i-minus lang natin sa 0.5. So that is 61 minus 0.5. So that is 60.5. Okay, next is identify the f sub 1. So, ano ba yung f sub 1 natin dyan? Yan yung frequency ng model class natin. So, that is 8. So, ito. Then, f sub 0, that is yung frequency before. So, again, yung before, yung mas mababa sa ating model class. So, that is 7. Sunod, yung f sub 2. So, that is yung frequency ng mas mataas sa ating model class. So, we have 66 to 70. Yung frequency niya ay 4. So, that is 4. Then, yung I natin, which is the class size, again, yung technique na tinuro ko sa inyo, ipili lang kayo sa ating mga class interval. So, ang piliin natin, for example, yung 66 to 70. Then, subtract lang natin yung 70 sa 66, then mag-add tayo ng 1. So, 70 minus 66, that is 4, plus 1, that is 5. Ayun yung ating class size. Or, pwede nyong manualin. So, that is 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So, meron tayong 5. Okay? So, ginagamit natin kasi itong formula natin para makuha itong class size if yung class interval natin masyadong malaki. Hindi na natin, kaya naman manualin pero masyadong matagal. Tatagal tayo sa pagmamanual. So, pwede natin gamitin yung ating formula para makuha yung class size. Again, ano yun? So, subtract natin yung upper boundary or upper limit sa lower limit, then plus 1. Okay? So, kompleto na ang ating given or yung parts ng ating formula. So, let us substitute. So, that is mode is equal to L, which is the lower boundary. So, 60.5 plus, okay, the quantity of f sub 1, that is 8, minus f sub 0, that is 7, over 2 f sub 1 is 8, then minus f sub 0, that is 7, minus f sub 2, that is 4. Then, multiply natin sa 5, which is the class size. So, simplify again natin yung nasa parenthesis. So, that is 60.5 plus 8 minus 7, that is 1, over 2 times 8, 16. So, 16 minus 7, that is 9, minus 4, that is 5. So, 1 over 5. Then, times 5. Then, multiply natin yung 5 sa 1. So, that is 60.5 plus 5 times 1, that is 5. Then, over 5. Then, 5 divided by 5, that is 1. Kaya, pwede natin i-add yung 60.5 sa 1. So, that is equal to 61.5. So, ang mode natin dito, ang mode natin ay 61.5. So, ganun kunin ang mode of group data. I hope natuto kayo sa ating lesson for this day. And thank you for watching and see you on our next upload. God bless to all of you.